Hey there, welcome back. I'm going to show you three functions. They're called integer, round up, and round down. So you're going to be using a lot of figures like this. So let's zoom in. So let's say I got a decimal, or better yet, someone's birthday, right? So let's say their birthday, mine is 21st of August, 1987, okay? And today's date. So if I go, now, right, that's today's date. If I minus one from the other, that's my age in days. So I'm going to put that into years. Okay. 365. Right. So I'm 31.4384709 years old. So when I'm talking to people, they go, hey, how old are you? Hey, I'm 31.4384709. No, I'm not going to say I'm going to say I'm 31. Okay. So the way around this to get rid of it is, one thing you can do is just get rid of the decimal places. So I showed that in another video, and you can just do that. Okay. The other option is if you right click and format, you can go number, and get rid of that. But the problem with this is just for presentation. That means these numbers are still in the formula. Okay. So if I do 0 decimal places, and let's say I'm 30 years old, just for rounding, what's that, I have to go up? Okay. Let's say I'm 30. I go, okay, 30 divided by 5 for some reason. It's like, oh, hey, what's all this 8715 I'm getting? It should be all round numbers, right? So again, it can be misleading. And if you have a lot of information, it's easy to miss that. So what you can do is you can start with the integer function. So let's start by labeling it here. We can go integer, right? And the reason that updated is because this actually puts time into it. So I'm just going to copy paste this so it doesn't keep changing. Okay, so I can do integer, and integer just means a whole number, right? So you can't have decimals. Then we're going to go round down. We're going to go round up. Doesn't matter that I misspelled that. Okay, so if I go equals int, right, and I do this, it's only going to give me the whole number part of this. Okay, now the other thing is, let's say I'm going to go round down. Actually, there's a fourth one, round. Okay, now round down means whatever this number is, regardless of the decimal, it's going to round down. It's going to go to 30, not 31. So if I go equals round down, I'm going to do this one. And you can actually choose the number of digits. You can say up to, let's say, the second one. So it's going to go 43. If I rounded standard round, the second digit, it would actually be 30.44, because every time this is a 5, you always round up to the next number. Okay, so if I go now round up, right, and I do this one, and I do 2, it will actually be 44. Now round, on the other hand, is standard, right, of if it's a 5, round up. Okay, in round up, it's like by default, no matter what the number is, it's going to round up. So now let's do this one. And let's say I'm going to do nothing at all. So let's say 0, right? So it's going to be no decimal places, and go enter. It's just going to be a 30. All right. So those are the different rounding types and the ways to control like decimal numbers. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.